Get ready to dive into the future of gear manufacturing as we explore Pfauter's 6-axis CNC Hobbing, powered by the cutting-edge Siemens 840D control system. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Here's our new arrival in our branch in India, the new 6-axis CNC gear Hobbing, Pfauter PE150 built in 2007 with Siemens 840 DSL. Please check here the machine in perfect working conditions. We completely checked the machine and now we can offer you also the trial of the machine before the delivery. Because all the machines we have in India are directly imported by us. From Europe, where we have one branch in Italy from about 20 years, so we personally check all the machines we buy to offer you the best machines in the market. We care about our clients. We want a long-term relationship with you. Here's the specifications about the machine. For more information, visit our website. Enjoy the machine showdown and leave us some feedback on what you think. Imagine a world where gears are produced with utmost precision, accuracy, and repeatability, all thanks to computerized control systems. This is where CNC steps in, enabling gear manufacturing processes to be automated, streamlined, and optimized for unparalleled performance. And at the forefront of this cutting-edge technology is the Siemens 840D control system. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, the Siemens 840D empowers Pfauter's 6-axis CNC Hobbing machine to push the boundaries of gear manufacturing. This powerful combination brings together the expertise of Pfauter, a renowned name in gear manufacturing, and Siemens, a global leader in industrial automation and control systems. Throughout this video, we'll uncover the incredible capabilities of Pfauter's 6-axis CNC Hobbing, guided by the precision and intelligence of the Siemens 840D control system. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this journey into the future of gear manufacturing, where gears are no longer just components but engineering marvels. We want to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We hope this video has shed light on the advancements shaping the future of gear manufacturing and left you inspired by the remarkable capabilities of Pfauter's 6-axis CNC Hobbing technology. Remember, the future of gear manufacturing is already here, And with technologies like Pfauter's 6-axis CNC Hobbing and the Siemens 840D control system, we can embrace a new era of precision, reliability, and innovation. Stay curious, keep exploring, and continue to be at the forefront of technological advancements in your own endeavors. Thank you once again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of gear manufacturing and embrace the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Take care.